prepare to feast with the beast and smash the like and subscribe button to join the gorilla family. Welcome back to our kitchen. Today we're diving into the world of flavors with a delicious Shami Kebab recipe. These succulent kebabs packed with aromatic spices and tender meat are a true culinary delight. So let's roll up our sleeves and embark on a journey of taste and tradition. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more mouthwatering recipes. Let's get cooking. Take nutmeggy, black peppercorns, dry coriander, cumin, cloves, black cardamom, bay leaf, cinnamon stick, and grind it into a powder set aside. Now to cooking pot, add chicken, onion, green chilies, give your garlic, salt, red chili, turmeric, and drain it, ground spices with 1 cup water and dailchana, and cook it on very low flame until it's very tender and all water is dried up. Once both chicken, the dailchana is cooked, and our water is dried up, you turn off the flame and let it cool down a bit, then separate the bones. Up next, add this mixture to a food processor and turn it into a dough form, then roll it into balls and squeeze the ball with your hand to form a patty. Heat some oil in the pan and dip the kebabs one by one into the egg wash, then let them fry in the oil. Once they're done, flip them to cook on both sides and cook till they are golden brown and crispy. Serve and enjoy with bread, rice, or mint sauce. Here are our ingredients: chicken with bones, 800 gram dailchana, 250 gram salt, to taste red chili powder, 1 tablespoon turmeric, ½ tablespoon black cardamom, 1 PC bay leaf, 1 tea cumin, 1 tablespoon coriander, 1 tablespoon black peppercorns, 12 PC cloves, 3 PC cinnamon stick, 1 PC nutmeg, ½ PC onion, 1 PC green chilies, 6 piece ginger, 1 inch PC, garlic, 4 cloves water, 4 cup oil, and frying egg wash is needed. Thanks a bunch for indulging your taste buds with us. Until next time, stay hungry and keep savoring the goodness, and make sure to like and subscribe. I'll be seeing you in the next video.